What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be showing you how to make a very nice glamorous New Year's makeup look, because why not? It's New Year's, it's last day of the year, and we definitely need to put our best glam foot forward. I just hope whenever this video goes up and all of you who are watching are having a great holiday time, have good time and just have great health, and that's it. And we always are surrounded love and good health and prosperity and everything. So yeah, just I hope watching this video also makes you happy and give you a lot of positive vibes. So let's just get into the video. Ready, मेरा moisturizer लगा दिया, which is from Release. I have applied this sunscreen from Hypen. This is something that I've already done. Now let's jump right into our eyes, because eyes are the most happening part in today's video. So let's go. सबसे पहले concealer कर देते हैं. So I'll be using this 07 concealer from Swiss Beauty. Now I know this look feels very overwhelming and very like unachievable. Trust me, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's very easy to make it. It's a bit messy maybe, but still, you know, it's achievable. I'll be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. Nice colorful palette, as you can see already. A very dense and chotu sa flat brush. What to do is I'm gonna mix these two shades and then pat it onto my eyelid. Mix these two and just slowly pat it. Be very gentle and slow. Koi ghai nahi hai. And just like this, you know. See, it's giving me a very subtle payoff. Don't put a lot and then, you know, regret it. So just do it very slowly. Just like this. I'm gonna pick up a bit of black now, because I feel it's a lot of blue, but I want a blackish shade. So just doing it, picking it, applying it. पूरा eyelid मत cover कर देना, इतना बराबर है. Start lower and then go upwards. मतलब start low and then build it up. थोड़ा मैसी भी हो जाए चलेगा. It's all right. I'll just show you how to fix it. So do not worry about anything. Let's start blending this eyeshadow so that it doesn't look like, we don't look like a panda. Such a brush, a fluffy, not very big but not very small, again in a medium density brush. And now, since we need a good transition shade, I am taking this Nykaa Squad palette, this shade right here, as a transition shade. Put this on the outside and then just start blending it in like this. Now here's, okay, I've messed it up a little bit. I feel it's okay. We'll cover it up. Do not worry. अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है, I'll just show you how to really, you know, work around with it. Here, first apply that shade on the outer corner and then just go into your crease. This is how you do it. Outer corner and then crease. As I said, even if it's messy, it's alright. Trust me, everything will look good in the end, so do not worry. A brush which looks like this, I'll pick up this shade right here. Focus karna. I'll just apply it like this, so that, you know, the transition between the black, the maroon, everything just looks very well and, you know, nicely blended. Back again, क्योंकि blend करते करते वो थोड़ा चला गया है, and just applying it again. Just blend properly and you're really good. At the really exciting part of our makeup look, and that is your shimmers. I'll be using the same palette and I'm gravitating towards this shimmer right here. Very flat brush. Oh wow, it's a very beautiful bluish shimmer on the entire lid जहाँ पे मैंने black use किया है. Maybe I have one more shimmer, so we will use that as well. Silver shimmer, and because it's new year, मुझे बहुत मन हो रहा है कि मैं वो silver shimmer लगाऊं, and ये look के साथ वो अच्छा भी लगेगा. Just applying it, see? इसको मैं एकदम बीच में लगाऊंगी, just like this. Now comes the entire cleaning part of the makeup look. एक्चुअली अगर आपके पास क्यूटिप है ना, तो क्यूटिप भी एक बहुत बेटर ऑप्शन है, बट मेरे पास अभी के लिए क्यूटिप्स नहीं है, तो मैं जस्ट इसको ऐसे करूँगी, रिमूविंग ऑल द एक्सेस, डूइंग द सेम ओवर हियर. कंसीलर विल ऑल्सो कम इन, सो रियली डोंट वरी, इट्स ऑल गोइंग टू बी ऑल राइट. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेरा एल्फ हेलो ग्लो, because अब quickly need to move on to our base makeup. And आपको तो पता ही है, I've been obsessed with Halo Glow. See, instantly it just truly brightens up my face and gives me that halo glow which we all want. Just quickly do my base and I'll be right back. Use this Smashbox Halo Glow. And my foundation is from K Beauty. I am in the shade 120Y Light. Just an update for my under eye, like for my lower lash line, I just used the same blue and black and just smudged it out. Now let's add back all the color and depth on my face. I'm going to be using my Super Bronzer Makeup Revolution. Change your look so much, and these are small steps which are really required. Like when you're doing glam makeup looks like this, especially like, you know, something like this which is extremely heavy, please also ensure to do all the other parts, because तब जाके आपका look बहुत सुंदर लगेगा and everything will just look enhance all the other things out more. So can you see I just added a little bit of depth over here, and see how instantly this side got changed. So hence, you know, for such glam makeup look you really need to invest time, like lot of time. अभी आप देख सकते हो my face instantly gave so much of depth and so much of, you know, definition. You like really want a good affordable bronzer, this is the bronzer for you. बहुत लाइट कलर का ब्लश लिया है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी हमको आज बहुत लाइट कलर का ब्लश ही चाहिए क्योंकि हमारा आई मेकअप लुक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो वी वांट आवर आई मेकअप लुक टू कम आउट वेल, एंड हेंस आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग दिस very tiny blush. This is again from Makeup Revolution. ये रेंज का मुझे नाम तो नहीं पता है, बट इट सेज ब्लश, एंड ये ना एक पूरा बॉक्स में आता है, एंड इसमें दो कलर आता है, एक तो ये हल्का पिंकिश कलर एंड देन दूसरा इज कॉरल कलर. तो दैट्स ऑल व्हाट आई नो. एंड आज मैं मेरे ब्लश को ना यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करूँगी, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड माई लुक टू बी एलिवेटेड एंड नॉट लाइक, यू नो, क्यूट और एनीथिंग. एंड हैंड्स, एंड जो भी फिर बच गया होगा उसे जस्ट थोड़ा डॉट कर लेते, सो दैट एवरीथिंग लुक्स लाइक ब्लेंडेड एंड नॉट लाइक मतलब यहाँ ही सब कर दिया है हमने, वैसा जो भी बच गया होगा. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अ हाइलाइटर. जस्ट मैं पहले ये लैक्मे का हाइलाइटर लूँगी. I'll just pick it up on my normal highlighter brush on my high points. Natural light जो आपके फेस पे फॉल होती है वो सब इन्हीं स्पॉट्स पे होती है. इसके मैं लेती हूँ अगेन मेरा this is Elf Halo Glow. I get so confused with Smashbox and Elf Halo Glow that just all over the place every time. So what I'll do is I'll take it on the back of my hand, and मैं अपना same highlighter brush लेती हूँ, and मैं बहुत इतना सा ही मैं लेती हूँ, अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा, मैं बहुत lightly इसे just हल्का सा dab करती हूँ. Nothing much, just dab, just to intensify my highlights even further. I really like doing this step, matlab it's, it really changes. See, it definitely changes my look. And फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ, I take my beauty blender and I just dab everything, because अभी मैंने सब मेरा पूरा मेकअप कर लिया है. I don't want, you know, anything to move away. I want everything now to be set on my face. Hence I use a beauty blender Nykaa blush, and I'll take this lighter shade. As I said, the motive is to just have the most feathery, the most lightest touch of blush on your face. So I'll be taking this and just doing it like this, just like this. How all of this works, that's it. As of now, my combination is Love Child Masaba lip liner and this moussey kind of liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Espresso Nude. Let's start. Using my trusty MAC lipstick. This is in the shade Honey Love. आप चाहिए तो ये लुक में आईलाइनर भी ऐड कर सकते हो, आपको कुछ और भी ऐड करना है, यू नो, लैशेस, आप सब कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो. But I'll add one last thing. It's my Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I can't, guys. This gloss is everything. Just look at the look. It's gorgeous. I'm telling you, just dress up, wear this look. It's just like such a perfect glam look. मतलब ये आपके black dresses, blue dresses, कोई भी dark color के dresses पे इतना pretty लगने वाला है. So yeah, let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this makeup look. Then we'll directly jump into 2025 with a bang. But anyway, yes, it's overwhelming. It's not easy, you know, to process how quickly the time flies by, especially when you're growing up, you're adulting, you have so many things to navigate. Let's make those small efforts, small causes, which will give you the results in the next 10 years down. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed my videos, because I do like making them. And let's just keep on growing. Let's target to grow. And yeah, I'll continue seeing you in my makeup videos, and I wish you all a very happy new year. Please stay safe, stay healthy, stay with your friends and family, put your best foot forward, be kind, be good, and I think rest everything will fall into place. That's it. I'll see you. Bye. Take care.